Being a mom can actually be a roller coaster of chaos, from the early hours of the morning till late at night. So this makes it absolutely normal to constantly feel exhausted and overwhelmed. Okay, welcome to my channel once again. Thank you for tuning in. It's been a while here. I'm very sorry. It's due to an unforeseen circumstances. So today, without further ado, we'll be talking about the 5 important parenting hacks that every mom should know. So this simple parenting hack we'll be talking about will actually save time. It reduces stress, it will make parenting and motherhood much more easier, and it will help to get things done faster. Now let's dive into it. The first one is have a simple morning routine. What do I mean by that? We all know how hectic morning could be. From waking up early, getting the breakfast ready, getting the kids ready, and preparing everything needed to get everyone out of the house on time. We all know how morning could be, all the rushing and all of that, especially when there's no help and you still have no plan in place to help in all of this. So the only way in tackling morning rush is to have a simple morning routine. You have to create it for yourself. It all starts from the night before. You have to set some time apart before you go to bed to prep for the following day. You should already know what you want to prepare for breakfast. Then you get everything prepared. If it's rice and stew, slice your onions, blend the pepper, get everything ready to make your cooking faster. Then get your children's uniform, their school socks, everything needed. If possible, pack their lunch bag, their snacks, the fruits, everything, get it prepared. Get their water and bottle and everything filled. All you need to do is just put their food plats when you are done in the morning. Even yourself, your notepad, everything will be needed for work the following day. Get it prepared. If you can adopt this very first hack, you'll be amazed at how it will help in reducing stress and all those morning chaos, those 1 minute run around when you forget some things. When you are rushing too much, you end up forgetting things. That will be prevented, and you realize that you'll be meeting up with your resumption time. Try this trick and thank me later. So the second hack I will be talking about is using the 1 minute rule. And the 1 minute rule says that anything that will take you less than a minute, or let's say a minute, to get done, do not postpone it. Fix it immediately. If, for example, you get into the room and you see everywhere scattered with toys, pick it up. If it's just picking up a toy, maybe a sandal that is misplaced, put it in the shoe rack instantly. Rearranging the throw pillows, as far as it is something quick, fix it instantly. Tackling small tasks as they show up, it will prevent it from piling up to something overwhelming, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you could get everywhere tidy. Now the third hack we'll be talking about is creating a chore chart for your kids. Now as a mom, we have so much to do, and this can make it very hard and very exhausting to balance house chores, your work, the kids, and everything together. This is why it is very important to have a chore chart for your kids. Create a chore chart where you list all the duties of each of your kids according to their age per day. When you wake up in the morning, the person that wants to sweep knows what to do. The person that will wash the dish is already doing it. It will even reduces stress on your part and lift off some burden. You know that it is just this and this that you have to focus on. And this will help them at the long run because it will make them have sense of accomplishment. It teaches them responsibility, teamwork, and it also helps them to be independent. It can even turn to fun for them. Kids now, they will catch fun while doing it. And everybody is fine. They are enjoying their duties. You are fine as well and relieved. The next one, which is the fourth one, is meal prep and batch cooking, or let me say cooking in bulk. Now, when you have the opportunity to do this, especially when you have a stable electricity, I strongly encourage this, especially when you have your 9 to 5 job that you are doing. You are exhausted already before getting home. Going to kitchen to prepare breakfast, prepare for lunch, dinner, and every day, it can be very exhausting and tiring. But when you batch cook, you cook in bulk cooking, could actually help reduces stress, save you time. It will even help you to always have healthy meal readily available at home. It will as well give you time for yourself. You have enough time to bond with your children, your husband, and the whole family will be fine. Than using the little period you have to rest and get prepared for the following day to be cooking. It can be very, very exhausting. All you have to do is set aside a day to batch cook for the coming week. And you pack the meal in little portion to make it accessible and easy to serve. And you put it in your refrigerator. That's all you need. And the last one is having an emergency kit for busy days. I will explain myself. Now, taking for example, you are a mom that goes to work every day, and one of those days you were stuck in traffic. You never knew you would come late, and there's no preparation for what your kids will eat when they come back. So you were rushing home to meet up, and getting home again, you have to rush to the kitchen. And you know, children now, once they see you, there are endless requests to start. I want to eat, mommy, I want this, I want that. And you are just in between all of that and you are frustrated. This is where having emergency kits packed with all the necessary essentials come handy. You already have your emergency bag, or let me say kit, packed with enough snack. You have everything ready for them, at least to snack on before food gets ready, will really help. Or let's say you have an outing that you have to go with your kids, and your child end up messing up her clothes, and you do not take any extra clothes along. You know how frustrating that could be. But having an emergency kit where all essentials like snack, extra clothes, wipes, basic first aid items like rub, vaseline, paracetamol, and all of that, then probably toys could really be helpful. Being prepared and ready for emergencies could reduce stress and worries, especially when you are with kids. It will make your outing with your children much more conducive and manageable. As mom, we need acts like this to help us go about our daily life without stress and with much more confidence. Now, let me quickly brush through the 5 acts we discussed today. The first one is to create a simple morning routine. The second one is make use of the 1-minute rule. The third one is just creating a chore chart for your kids according to their age. The fourth one is bulk cooking, or let me say batch cooking, and preparing your meal ahead. While the last one is having your emergency kit, or let me say bag, readily available. Embracing and making use of these 5 simple hacks we've talked about will really make a difference. Trust me. And with this, we've come to the end of today's video. If you stayed till now, thank you so much. God bless you. And if you find this video very helpful, please click the like button, share with everyone that you think they need to see this video that will help them. Comment. We need to learn together, So let's learn other hacks that I've not mentioned that have been helping you. Please share in the comment section so that we can as well learn from you. Then if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It is absolutely free. And turn on the post notifications so that you can always be notified whenever I post any new video. Here you always learn and get value for every time. And my returning subscriber and those that are just joining us now, thank you as you are subscribing. If there's any topic you want me to talk on, please feel free to drop it in the comment section and I will definitely do. Thank you for staying till now. Bye bye. See you in my next video. I love you.